ಕೊಂಡು
People entering into the premises,
Yes.
and immediately we told our parishioners to go and catch them over there.
ओके
And immediately our parishioners fought the police there, and now they are caught.
कितल्यांक म्हणून भितर एंटर जाल्ले ते
This
कितें
is
खबर?
round about what time you phoned me? It will be about 11, 10 to 5 to 11, 10 to 11.
ओके ओके
ते एंटर उधर जाल्ले काय उधर एंटर जाल्ले ते
Yeah, but I think that they are trying to break. They couldn't break
ओके
inside the office part.
Upgraded our surveillance, the CCTV cameras. So it so happened that around 11 in the night I just received a notification that some movement has been detected.
Yes, ma'am.
So immediately I checked and I saw two hooded boys inside the office. I immediately called up father, and at the same time we contacted somebody who alerted the police. I also spoke to Mr. Emmanuel, who's the LDC, and in no time they came here and the police came, and the rest is known to all of you.
what was this madam the how was there this like
See, they were like two young boys, maybe in their 20s. I couldn't, two slim boys with the hoods, and they were opening the office cupboard. So I knew they meant no good. So immediately we had to do, take action. I informed father that somebody is there right now. So we had to kind of apprehend them without alerting them in a way.
And I was lucky I didn't go for mass. I was just about to get down for mass. So I think God was, she was trying to contact, she couldn't contact. And at that time only a phone call came and I rushed down with my short pens. Let's get my professionals to go and just see what's happening.
thank you madam